first water test. See if she floats. Alright, just got the boat launched. Got the old truck up there. Alright, see if this baby will fire up for us. Looks like we got a carb that is puking up at the top. The bottom one's free though. Yeah, it's stuck shut. Not 100% sure.
That's not very impressive. This thing really doesn't like it under a load.
One tie, we'll just try to back out and cut around.
Yeah. You stalled it.
Yeah, if we could get that top carb to stop flooding, then it might.
I think that's part of the problem. I think we're just flooding.
Yeah, that's definitely not helping us run, I'll give you that. It's trying to give us all the fuels.
Uh-huh. Lift her up.
What?
Lift her up. Oh.
Oh, you need to get the trailer in.
Alright. They're on.
Yeah. Yeah, going back to trailer in. I'll try to drive it up on the trailer.
Alright. I'll try to drag you forward a little bit.
Okay.
That way you're more in the center. Alright, she's a runner.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh, she's up on him. Shit. Oh yeah. Well, I should have waited.
I was just trying to see if I could throw it.
Oh, well, you're just gonna float over there.
Yeah.
Man, you're getting pushed along pretty good.
Yeah.
Hi, lizard. Ah. Oh, shit. Well, I did this for no reason.
It freaking stuff. Right now we'll start to turn over really slow, so it's either season up or
Yeah.
nothing. What do you think? It seems kind of knocky to me.
Yeah.
Seem knocky to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Why are you putting these back in my pocket?
Well, she shut off and then didn't want to restart.
What's that?
He said she shut off and didn't want to restart. Hopefully it didn't seize completely. Try to start it out of the water.
Yeah. It could just be.
Fuel pump's shot up there.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Maybe our stator's no good.
Could be.
Is it really hot?
I wouldn't say so.
It's probably fine. It's probably just hydrolocking maybe because of the carbs.
Yeah, I mean it's flooding. I mean it's putting out some serious shit. So.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put that thing down.
Yeah.
You want to take the plug out?
Yeah.
Alright, go down. Hold on. Alright.
Yeah, here you go.
Oh yeah, that's powerful. Look at that. That's a specially designed tool. I actually had a good amount of water in it.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, we might have a leak, or that may be just because I finally got the nose up getting on plane and it ushered
Yeah.
water from the front to the back. That's why I wanted to take it off at this angle.
really,
It's not salt water.
Yeah.
so that's just water that's been in there. Oh, okay. Screwdriver. Put your battery on the charger.
I don't need to hold it like that anymore. Alright, well, it actually got on plane pretty good until it started dying.
Oh, mud.
Yeah.
I was getting into some real shallow shit. It was spitting it out the.
Oh, great. I can always bleep it. Give her the bleeper meter.
It's not too hot. You know,
Yeah.
it's. So I think the pump was working. I think the thermostat is still problematic.
Yeah.
So, but it seems a little knocky loud to me. I'm thinking maybe we need to pull the plugs out, rotate the motor until the pistons are going
Yeah.
down, and then push on them and see if we've got
Alright, what, a clunk?
any play
Yeah.
in the piston.
Alright.
Just keep going through. We have to check the battery, see if it's getting charged, if we get it started again.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's get out of here.
It was semi-successful.
Yeah. Yep. Let's skedaddle.
We found a alarming issue.
see if I can show you guys. See that piston?
Listen to this. That piston is flopping. Oh my god, that's so bad. It's flopping side to side in there. Like as to, oh, you can't really do it on that one, but we thought it might have had a rod knock, but no. Alright. Well, I guess that'll sum it up for this video actually now. So, I guess we'll see you guys when we're rebuilding the power head.